time to go home, Nat.
Yeah.
You got him his last meal, right? All right, then.
Happy birthday, little guy. I hope you like corn dogs.
Some date, huh?
It's okay. Glad I get to see you.
I have to put Homer down tomorrow morning.
Oh.
It's destroying me.
It's okay. It's only a dog. I said dog.
You did what?
I said I was sorry.
Animals are like people. Dumb, furry people.
Okay.
I know you have your Asperger's, and usually it's adorable, but is there any sort of medicine you can take for that?
There is, but I don't take it because it makes me weird.
Okay. Then we gotta watch Coco's Kitten. I'm about to have you in tears, bro. So many tears right now.
Your final arrow pierces the dragon's heart. He falls dead before you.
What's the treasure like?
All among the many riches, you find a clutch with 6 baby dragons.
No way.
You know how much we could sell those for?
Ooh, or we could drink their blood ourselves, fire breathing twice a day. Oh my God!
We're letting them go. We just killed their mom for pretty much no reason. They're living creatures.
Living creatures that could make us a shitload of money.
The Bone King is going to impregnate every woman on Earth with a demon child, and you're seriously worried about 6 baby lizards?
Aren't you lawful good because you sound a little chaotic evil right now?
Aren't you chaotic evil?
That's beside the point. Anders, isn't freeing these babies the morally right thing to do?
Yes.
Oh, come on!
Guys, you're heroes, and heroes do the right thing, even when they don't like it.
Fine.
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 Okay. You leave the wormlings alone after a moral lecture from Vera the Soul Devourer.
Shouldn't you be at work?
I want to adopt Homer.
You hate animals.
I'm indifferent. But perhaps if I had one, I would be less indifferent.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Is he taking Homer? Yeah. He's definitely taking Homer.